Hello, this is Gary Barnes from Creative Hands Home Services and Craftsman Elite. 240-416-5068 is our office number. admin@creativehandsforyou.com is our email address. And www.creativehandsforyou.com is our website. And we are back here in Largo, Maryland, Kettering today, and continuing installation of the bathroom we started a day ago. You see that we have some things that are pre-done, and looking forward to taking out toilet now, fill the things, then we'll be dropping our floor and our surround tile, so then the balance of the fixtures, and we'll be pretty much done in 2 days. Once again, Gary Barnes, Creative Hands Home Services and Craftsman Elite, 240-416-5068. Give us a call, and we look forward to making you a new customer in the near future. Thank you.